Next we have to study is about the marketing intermediaries. The marketing intermediaries play a significant role in developing any business unit. They are those persons who reduce the distance between the producers and the agents. For example, a company sells its goods with the help of agents, and if because of some reason all the agents get annoyed with the company and refuse to sell its goods, there can be a crisis for the company. So there are marketing intermediaries are there. So marketing intermediaries means that there are some agents or brokers like. Okay, so these people are also very much a important part, because like if we are producing a company, a product, and we may not be able to supply this product or directly go and sell this product to the customers directly. So what we use is that we use this product to supply this product to some other people, and some agents are there. They are having already distribution centers are there, distribution channels are there, and they will try to distribute this product. So we will get a benefit. But imagine that like there are so many 2-3 agents may be there. But if because of any particular problem, if we have a problem with the these agents, and if all the agents are getting unhappy with us, and if they are not ready to supply the products, then it will create a problem, because the company cannot survive. So company product cannot be sold. So we are producing large amount of products, and we expect that these agents will be selling, or this marketing intermediaries will be supplying this product or selling this product, and suddenly if they decide that they are not going to sell it, then it will create problem. So our product will not be sold, and we will have to face a huge amount of loss. Okay. So we have to maintain, the business organization has to maintain a good relationship with the people over the all the market intermediaries, the people those who are doing business or supporting the business activities. Okay. So these are the micro factors. So we have studied a few points about the micro environment. Okay. Next we have to study is about the macro environment or a general environment. Okay. Macro environment means that environment which includes those factors which have a distant relation with business. A prominent feature of these factors is that they influence all the business units almost in the same way. Okay. So these factors, like the micro factors that we have studied, is having direct connection with the company. And the macro factors are the factors which the company is not having any direct connection. Means it's there is a long relation. Okay, or we can say that a direct connection is not there, a distant relationship. Okay, so such type of relationships are there with the these type of companies. Okay, so such kind of companies or such type of environment or the factors are called as the macro factors, or they are also called as the general factors. Because it is called as the general factors because this kind of factors affect every business almost in a similar manner. Okay, like imagine that's like coronavirus. Okay, so it is a kind of a problem. Okay, so there is no any connection, direct connection with this one is not there. Any company is not having any direct connection with the coronavirus, but every business units has been affected. For every business there is problem. Okay, customers are also getting affected, suppliers are also getting affected, and competitors are there. All the factors are getting affected in this. Okay, only where there are very few companies which are able to make profit. Okay, but also they may need to spend a large amount of money, or they have to spend more more efforts they have to make for recovering the problems that they are facing. Okay, so that is another big issue. See, like you see Amazon or this Flipkart, all this type of online shopping businesses, they became successful in this kind of in this era. Okay, so because people cannot go to the market and purchase the product, so they cannot travel. Lockdown situation is there, so that is why they are facing this problem. But see, like at the same time, this Amazon or this Flipkart, all these type of there are government instructions are there to supply only essential products, and means like luxury products and so on cannot be supplied. And another thing is that they also cannot use large number of employees. Okay, so they can have only limited amount of employees, And another bigger problem is that they don't have transportation facilities, so there is a lot amount of problem in the transportation. Okay, so some sufficient amount of vehicles are not there, so they face a delay in the delivery of the product. So they cannot deliver the product at the time required. So earlier they were delivering the product in 4 days time. 4 to 6 days time was the normal delivery. 4 to 7 or 4 to 6 days of time is the normal delivery period. But now 6 to 10 days time they are taking. Sometimes it will take even more than that. And when you are purchasing a product itself, they are saying that we cannot guarantee the delivery within a particular period of time because of the this lockdown and coronavirus problems and all are there. So if that's like if they are supplying, and if any people, those who are supplying the product, or if any their distributors are there, so if they are affected by coronavirus, then there will be problems. So because they will be supplying the product to the people, and the people will be also getting affected, there is a problem like that. As well as if any product, if a person is considering, see like if they purchase, if I am purchasing a product from Amazon, and when I purchase the product, through that product if I get coronavirus, then I will stop purchasing the product from Amazon, isn't it? So it means because of the fear people, or because we lost our trust. Okay, so the such kind of problems are there. So even if the companies are facing, so or they are not much affected, but such kind of problems are there. Or if there are many of their employees are getting affected by the coronavirus or things like that, then they will also have to face a lot amount of close down and all will be. So in that area they may not be able to function. Okay, so these are the different problems. So different components of business environment we have studied. So largely or broadly we can classify that these are the internal and external factors, and as well as there is all the external factors can be divided into two categories, that is micro and macro, and we have studied them in detail. Okay, thank you so much. Castellon Giostoni. Good morning, dear students. We are going to study the next the topic, the components of a business environment. So we are already studying about the components of business environment, and we have seen that it is divided into two categories, that is the internal environment as well as the external environment. Okay, and in the internal environment we have seen that it deals with the objectives, policy, strategy, and other type of things that are taken, all the decisions which are taken in the within the organization. And since it is taken within the organization, it is the business is having some control over the internal factors. Okay, and secondly we have studied about the external factors. So the external factors are not in the control of the business because it is outside the organization, outside the business. So these factors are outside the organization, and since it is the outside the organization, the business is not having much control over the activities which are going to take place, or these kinds of factors. Okay, and these factors, there are a large number of factors are there, and these factors can be divided into again further classified into two categories, that is micro aspects or micro components, and macro components. Okay, or we can say that micro environment and macro environment. And micro, as we know the meaning, micro deals with the small factors, or the factors which is having connection with a particular company only, or the company which is having a direct connections. Okay, so our company, if we are dealing with one particular company, the factors which the company is having direct link with that. So those kinds of things are called as the micro components. Okay, and there are also macro components which is having as a general or a large type of factor. Okay, which affect the every organizations or every business. Okay, so micro components affect only the a particular type of businesses. Okay, and macro concept or macro environment will be connecting with all the businesses as a general. Okay, and we also studied about the micro environment or micro factors. Micro environment includes of many different type of things, and the first one we have already studied, that is about the customers. Okay, customers are the very important factors of the business. So we have to produce the product depending upon the customers. So what will be the likes and dislikes of the customers, that will affect the business organization. And if we have what is our target market, or what is the target customer that we are following. Sometimes if an organization is, or a business company is producing a product only for government, and if the government is not ready to accept this product, then the company will have to be closed, because there are no any other companies which are purchasing this. Some companies are manufacturing products for another industries, so they are supplying raw materials for other industries. So such a kind of companies also will be there. They should have try to keep large number of customers. So we have to maintain the customer, and there should be proper relationship with the customers, and we should understand the needs of the customers and make product according to the customers. Otherwise it will create problems. Okay. And also the second point that we have studied is about the suppliers. Suppliers are the people, those who are supplying with the raw materials for the products which we are in need. Okay, so we are like if we are doing a product, if we are selling, if we are marketing company, the suppliers are the one who is manufacturing the product and supplying to us. And if we are manufacturing company, then the suppliers are those who are supplying the raw materials for us. Okay, so if it is whatever maybe the company that we are having, they have suppliers are required, and we should have a proper contact with the customers, and we should try to keep a large number of customers. So we should have good contact with the customers, so that we will be able to get the raw materials in time required. Okay, if we depend only on some few customers or few suppliers, then what happens is that if those suppliers are unable to supply the products which is required for us, even if it is raw materials or finished products, whatever may be there, if we are unable to get it, then we will find it very much difficult, because our business will not continue because of the lack of these type of products. Okay, so we should be having a good contact with the suppliers. Okay, so this much we have already studied. Next we have to study is about the competitors. Okay, so competitors are another important aspect, or another important part of the business environment, and it is part of the micro environment. The competing firms can influence business in a number of ways. They can do so by bringing new and cheap products in the market, by launching some sale promotion scheme or other similar methods. Okay, so the competing firms can create or influence the business to a large extent. Okay, so imagine that, like if we are making a product with so much amount of efforts, so we have done so much amount of researches, and after that we brought a new product, and we are introducing this product into the market, and since we have spent a lot amount of money, we are charging a very high price for this product. And we are trying to recover the losses that we have faced, or the money that we have spent for the research and development of the product. So that money we will be trying to cover it through selling the product in a higher price. But suddenly what happens if any competitor is making the product and make it available in the market in a lower price? So normally a person who is going to the market, and if he asks for a product, imagine that, like if you are going to the shop and if you want to purchase, so then first thing that you are going to ask is that how much is, how much is the question that comes in your mind. How much is the price of this product? Okay, so when you are about to purchase this product, if the shopkeeper says that this product is very high quality product, if you use this product you will become like Salman Khan, you will become like Shah Rukh Khan, or you will become like Aishwarya Rai. This is a soap which is introduced in this market, and this soap is a very special soap, and if you apply this soap, whatever may be the color, you will become fair like Aishwarya Rai, very attractive, and all the boys, all the girls will be looking at you, so you will get attracted towards this one, and you will be ready to use it. But at that time also, whatever may be there, shopkeeper will say many things, but there will be a question asking or coming from your mind that how much is the price of this one. So there are some people, those who are ready to spend any amount of money for their, especially like these kinds of cosmetic items and so on. There are some people, those who are purchasing very heavy or very large amount, high priced products and especially the like cosmetic items are there, fairness creams are there, or such type of products are there. So they are ready to spend any amount of money. But the majority of the customers are not ready to spend much amount of money. So they purchase only like some 50 rupees, 100 rupees cream may be there, and they will be able to purchase this one. 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 rupees spending and applying the cream. All these things not possible for normal people. So they will ask like some 50 rupees, like Fair and Lovely will be there, or Fair and Handsome will be there, or these type of products are there, some 50 rupees or 100 rupees, and you can purchase it and apply it, and you feel very nice, isn't it? So the price of the product is a very much important factor, and even if we are supplying the product which is of very high quality, but somewhat similar product, we know that if you purchase this product, other product is not up to this quality. Okay, see, like if you consider if any products are there in the market, like imagine that Fast Track watches are. So Fast Track is a very good brand, and people are so much interested in purchasing this one. And the minimum price, like the Fast Track companies watches and all were earlier costing around 2,000, 3,000 rupees. Okay, so 2,000 above, and 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 like that cost was there. Okay, but now if you go to the market, you will get it in 150 rupees or 200 rupees. So. And the product is almost looking similar to the product of Fast Track watches, but we know that it is not the same one, and the people, those who see, they also know that it is not the same one. So they can also easily understand. If a person who is not having much idea about Fast Track watches, they may be thinking that he is wearing this one. But a person who is already using a Fast Track watch, or already who has used, or those who are having connection with this one, they will find it that this is not a product of the quality that expected. Okay, so whatever may be the product, so duplicate type of products are there, or pirated products are there. So what happens is actually, like if this Fast Track company is developing, coming into the market and spending or trying to make profit out of by selling the product. But now if you see, if you are to purchase a product, like if you now think of purchasing a watch, and if you go to the shop for purchasing, will you spend money 2,000, 3,000 rupees and purchase a Fast Track watch now? You may not be interested to purchase, because see, like even if you are spending 3,000 rupees and you want to have it a good quality watch, and you are spending 3,000 rupees and purchasing a Fast Track watch and tying it in your hand, and you are coming to the school or going to a public place. And what the people will think is that they are not going to ask whether it is an original one. They will not check it and tell you whether it is original one. They will say that this is 150 rupees watch. Simply they will say. They will not look at the watch. They don't know whether it is original or fake. But simply they will say that this is 150 rupees watch. This watch is available in this particular shop. And 150 rupees or 200 rupees watch. Even if they don't have much idea, they will say that. So what happens is that if I purchase this product and use it, and even after spending 3,000 rupees, I don't get any respect or reputation of this product, then what will happen? I will lose interest of this product. Okay. So what happens? People will stop purchasing this product. Original product also people will not purchase, because already duplicate available. If you want to wear it, then simply for wearing purpose, you purchase 150 rupees, you can use it for 1 or 2 months. After that, you can throw it away, whatever maybe it is not going to be. But if you spend 3,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, and you purchase the watch, and you wear it for the first time, and you are going to the market, or you are going for a marriage function, and you meet with your friends and your companions and people like that, and they don't understand that you are telling that I am having the warranty card with me, I am having the bill with me, and I have purchased this one original, this one is there, cover is there, whatever is there. But people are not going to trust whether this is the original or not. They also may understand that this is original, but they will not accept that this is original. And what will happen? You will feel very much awkward. You spend this much amount of money, and you don't. Other people are making fun of you that you are using a pirated product. Okay. So this kind of feeling will be there in your mind, and you will lose interest in this particular brand. So people will stop purchasing this, and you will share this experience with the other people, maybe to your friends, and your friends also will think that oh my god, this product is like that. He may be also thinking like to purchase a fast track watch, but he will think that oh, if it is this case, then I will not purchase this. You know, because this is there. So even if I spend money and even if I use this one, then also people are not going to accept it, or people are not going to respect me or respect my watch. You know. So they are not going to consider. They are considering it as a duplicate one or a pirated one. You know. So that is why they will feel awkward and they will not be able. So this is a competitive product like that. So because of the competition, this will be there. So large number of products are there. Earlier, if you imagine that, like if you are to purchase a mobile phone, as I have already told you, if you want to purchase a mobile phone, only Nokia mobile phone was available in the market. But now, if you go to a mobile shop, you will find that there are at least 10 brands of products are there. Okay, 10 companies are there. Okay, Redmi is there, Realme is there, Oppo is there, Vivo is there, let's say Micromax is there, OnePlus is there. Okay, so many brands are there. Okay. And all these brands are also having features. Many features are there. One will say that it is giving 32 megapixel camera. One is telling that in this 5 cameras are there. One is telling that in this that processor is there. This processor is there. In this one that like HD card is added there. Or what is this one there, that one there. So many offers they are providing. We don't know what these things are there. Okay, as a normal person, we may not be able to understand about these things, but we know that a good mobile phone is required. That's all. So we will purchase the product depending on the quality and depending on the price, and also the price. The price of the product also will be there. You can purchase a mobile phone in just 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. Decent product can be available in some 1,000 or 2,000 rupees. And cost will go up to 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. Also mobile phones are available. So, even higher than that also there. Okay. So you may purchase this product and you may or may not feel satisfaction. And by the time you use it, so you purchase a very branded mobile phone, very new type of mobile phone with the latest features, and you say that this is the latest mobile phone that you are using. You start using it, you purchased it, you may spend some 20,000 rupees or 20,000, 30,000 rupees, and you start using this mobile phone and thinking that nobody else is having such kind of a phone and you are the only one who is having it. And suddenly you will come to know, in 1 week time you will come to know that the better phone than this one is already launched. Okay, so nobody is going to see you, so they will not say that this is a brand new product, this is an old model now. So this is not a branded product, or see like this is not the latest product, better quality product than that this is there. So you could have waited for 1 more week, you would have purchased this one, this was a better option. So people will start saying that. So then you feel awkward like. So this is like customers will get unsatisfied about the competitors like that. So competitors are there, they are bringing. So if we bring a product into the market, within a week, next product will be coming into the market. After that, another product will be coming. So people, they are all the companies are competing each other, and they are bringing new products. Okay, so because of that, a company cannot survive, or company cannot make higher amount of profit in the market for a longer duration. Then next we have to study is about the public. Another important aspect is the public. Public has different constituents like the local public, press or media, etc. The attitude or behavior of these constituents can affect the business units. For example, the local population can oppose some established firm whose business is excessively noisy. Similarly, if the media gives some favorable report about a particular company, the price of its share can register and increase on this count. Okay. So public is another important factor. So we know, like public includes mainly of the people, those who are nearby. So the general public, or we can say about the news medias. Okay, so press and other medias are there. Okay, but nowadays Facebook as well as WhatsApp and all these type of things are also having so much impact in the category of public life. So imagine that is like if there is a company, and if the company is making so much amount of noise or if the company is making so much amount of pollution, okay, or if see like nearby a factory, if a lot amount of smell is coming, all these type of problems are there. So what happens is that people, if the nearby people will be suffering a lot amount of problems with this, okay, and the media and other type of press and medias and all are there, they are not going to take any action against this one, or they are not going to publish any news about this one, that this particular company, because the company will pay money to them. Okay, the company will pay money, and the company will give them money for advertisements. They will sponsor the programs, and in such a way they will get the benefit. So if we give, if we are running a company and the company is giving a benefit, or a company is giving an advertisement in the newspaper, so it is beneficial for the news channel. So that is why they will not say any wrong information about this. If they say, and instead of spreading wrong news, they may say that there is some like this company is there and it is having a very good quality products and it is very nice, so you can use it. Such kind of promotional method they will say. But nowadays it's Facebook, WhatsApp, all these things are there. So people, they make see if a normal person, simple person, just to make a video and say that these are the pollution that the company is dropping so many waste in this area, and people around this area are affecting and they are getting sickness. So about that they may make a documentary type or a video. They will record it and publish it in the publish it in Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram or Twitter, all these things like that. Then it will start spreading. People do not think whether it is true or not true. They are not going to bother, but they start sharing these things, So and they will make it very much popular. So the people will get so much idea about this one. So sometimes the public will create a lot amount of problems in that way. Okay. So sometimes it will be positively affecting, sometimes it may negatively affect the organization. Okay. So this is another important problem. Okay, or another important environment factor. Okay. So sometimes if we if we deal with the public in a positive manner, if we handle the public in a nice way, then it will benefit. So if we are not making much pollution, and if we are not making any kind of problems, like in Kerala there is a company called Kitex, and it started its production and it is doing so much amount of good activities, and this company is a cloth manufacturing company, and they are manufacturing so many products, and they give so much amount of employment opportunities to the public nearby that area, and they became so much popular, and they have grown up so much very nicely. But afterwards what happened is that they started a particular shop there. Okay, so they along with the company, they started a grocery shop where the people in that locality, in the if this company is in Hareya, people those who are living in Hareya, they will give a card to the people of those local area. So the people in that area, they can have a particular card, and with that card they will go and they can purchase the product in a price of around 40%, means 60% off they are giving. So like if 100 rupees product is there, and if the people in the local area, if they purchase, like imagine that if Hareya there is a shop, and if person belonging to Hareya locality, if with the card if he is going and purchasing, they will get this product in 40% price, means 40 rupees he will get. Okay, so whatever maybe the product is there, so for 20 to 40% they are giving. So means that like 60 to 80% of discount they are providing to the these products. And this is shop started and people started purchasing large amount of this one like that. And after that what happened? So still that time there was so much popularity like that. Then they started influencing in the politics. They started competing in the politics. They started interfering in the political affairs. So then what happens? The other political parties started spreading wrong news about this. So because they are coming up and they are doing good to the people, they are they got us. They start winning the election. So they won the election. In a small elections were conducted, and in the local area they could win the election. Okay. After that, they started to spread the this election campaigns, and also they started competing in other areas also. Then what happened is that people came to know, or the political leaders, they came to know that if they start growing like that, it is going to be a threat to the political parties, because normally all the political parties are doing no benefit to the people and they are doing some benefit to the people. So normally the people will be supporting this particular company. Okay, so then they started spreading wrong news about the this one, and they start sending so many inspectors, like what to say. So they started to spread so much amount of wrong news about this one, and sending like ED and all, and tax, so much amount of inspections, all these things have been taken, and they could not find anything, because all their accounts and all are very much nice. They don't have any black money, they don't have any other type of things. All the works and all were very perfectly going on, so that is why they could not find anything. But still, one after the other, they are conducting so many raids and so many type of disturbance like that. So because of this one, they had to face a lot amount of disturbances. Okay, so this is the problem. So if we don't have a public support, then it will affect the company. It can affect the survival of the company itself. If the government is deciding to close this company, they will put so that is what they are going to do. They are trying to catch any negative point, and with that they have to close the company. So once if the company is closed, then they will not be able to do any type of activity. So because of that, they are conducting so many raids, but since all the documents, all the papers are correct, they are going on smoothly. And if they find any small mistake in this one, then they will try to close the company. So that is the kind of problem. So if we don't have support from the public, if we don't have support from the particular political parties, then we cannot survive in the market. Okay.